Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Wi-Fi password of Asus ROG Rapture GT6. Method number 1, open Asus router application on your smartphone. Wait until this screen is loaded. And now swipe left until you see your network name in this circle. Tap on that. And here is your network key. You can tap on the eye icon and change Wi-Fi password over here. Don't forget to tap on apply. Also, you can separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network to do this. Disable 3-band smart connect. So now you can have different passwords for each network, for 5 GHz, number 1, number 2, and for 2.4 GHz. But personally, I prefer 3-band smart connect. So you can change your password over here, apply your changes, and don't forget to reconnect to your network because you changed your password and you will be disconnected. Now you have to go to your Wi-Fi settings. Tap on Wi-Fi settings, find your Asus network over here, tap on I, forget this network, then find it one more time. Option number 2, you can do the same from the web interface of your router. To do this, make sure your computer is connected to your Asus network, then open any web browser and in the search bar typing this IP address. This is default IP address of your router if you haven't changed it by yourself. So hit enter, it takes you to the web interface. You need to enter your username and password. You've created these credentials on the network setup. So sign in as administrator and scroll down and select wireless, and here you can control your network name, change your password, separate 2.4 and 5 GHz band, and so on, and more settings than in application. But that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.